Now the next one is, how are we going to have that pace in learning? What is the incorporation of technology incorporated into the lesson plan? Is the technology good enough for the students for that particular level, or are you interested in using any gamification for learning the content? Gamification should be one such lesson plan and activity. Maybe if you have 100 activities, we can plan for 10 such activities for gaming and learning for the student. Then if you incorporate this technology, we can as well go into inquiry based learning, always asking questions to the student. We cannot say or depend on chalk and talk, because this will only be one way of learning. Then we can go into assessment and reflecting. Inquiry based learning, slowly we have to build up the question. For example, say if we're talking about the favorable conditions for growing the plants, then what are the conditions which we can ask the student? Now, what's the atmosphere looking like today? Do you see sun in the sky today, or is it very dark? Now, are you feeling that breeze? If you don't have any breeze around, if you don't feel breeze, then how are you going to survive? In the same way, living things need breeze or wind in order to survive. Now, what are the content? What are the different types of gases we have in the atmosphere? From there, we can pick up a question or important content like sunlight, water, moisture, as well as the carbon dioxide in the air. Now, what's the atmosphere looking like today? Do you see sun in the sky today, or is it very dark? Now,